I think hydrology is still a very data scarce science. We all need water, we need enough water, good quality water, but at the same time you can't manage it if you don't measure it. We need to be creative and think really about lower cost sensors, sensor networks, making them smart, intelligent, getting them to the decision makers more quickly.
We've got lots of organisations involved in FDRI with this capacity to implement innovative science. What we've brought everyone here today for is about open hardware and innovative low-cost sensing. But what it's really about is creating this space for different stakeholder groups across the UK to collaborate. Lots of people from academia trying to build up their skills as a scientist. Scientists from the EA here. We've got community groups here, as well as from our 3 target catchments for FDRI, which are the Chess, the Upper Severn and the Tweed.
First of all is that opportunity of having a wider catchment monitoring. And the second aspect I think is important is that also it provides the opportunity of building this community of practice. So have local stakeholders and citizen scientists also involved in the installation and monitoring, but even like we've seen this workshop, even building these low-cost sensors from scratch. And that also provides the opportunity of transferring that knowledge and disseminating even more opportunities to monitor floods and droughts like FDRI wants to.
Today and yesterday we've been building an open hardware monitoring system. The sensors we've been using measure the distance using ultrasound between the sensor and whatever it's measuring. And so that can be used to measure water level if you hang it under a bridge, for example. So it's been very hands-on, which has been great.
Oh, I've learned so much. Yeah, this is my first introduction to kind of open hardware. We've got a long history of using off-the-shelf kit, but yeah, first time I've tried using this stuff, and I think I've just learned the kind of almost endless possibilities with it, really, and how you can modify it to fit your needs for a particular site.
I think the biggest thing that I learned that I wasn't aware of was the sort of software side of things in the background, the free and open software that's available for use. So as a PhD student, obviously you don't necessarily have a lot of people to help you with field work, and so it's making sure that you're able to organise it all at a time when other people are available. That's a very big challenge, I think. And the second thing is probably connected to that is actually processing the data. Being able to have that open source data software to process the data, I think would be really valuable.
If you're interested in finding out more, collaborating with us, learning from us or teaching us something, sign up to the FDRI mailing list, come to future events, reach out with your project ideas, and yeah, let's work together.